Hello there. My name is Mary Taylor and we're here at the Beeton house. My friend Miss Walk invited myself and Miss Thompson over for lunch, and I decided to thank her hospitality by making her some wonderful lemonade. You see, I learned this recipe from my grandmother, but you can find a wonderful recipe in Mrs. Beeton's household manual that was originally published, in 1861. This recipe calls for 1 1/2 pints or 3 cups of boiling water, the juice of 4 lemons, the rind of 2 lemons, 1/2 pint or 1 cup of sherry, 6 ounces or about 1 cup of white sugar. Now, the recipe calls for 4 lemons. You want to get ready to juice out as much as you can. We're going to cut it in half. And we're going to take our fork and we're going to get as much juice as possible in our pitcher here. Squeeze that out real good. And so next we're going to quarter the remaining lemon and pare off the rind. And we're going to pare it off and get it real clean. Once we've pared off the lemon and removed as much of the width as possible, we're going to drop those into our pitcher. And now we're going to add our sugar, 1 cup. Next thing we're going to do is add some boiling hot water, and I'm going to go get that from the stove. And so here we are with our hot water, and we're just going to add our boiling water to our mixture. Now we're going to stir this up until our sugar dissolves, and then we're going to let it sit to cool completely. Now that it's completely cooled down, I'm going to go ahead and strain it off. Now that everything is completely drained off, we're going to go ahead and add our lemon juice. And now we're going to add the liquid that we strained off of our lemons. And we're going to stir it. Now we're going to add our secret ingredient, a cup of sherry. This makes this a nourishing lemonade. And we're going to stir that till it's blended. And you're ready to serve. Refreshing.